How to start a successful YouTube channel, the ultimate guide. Welcome back to our channel, where we're dedicated to helping you succeed on YouTube. In today's video, we're going to dive deep into the world of starting a successful YouTube channel. If you've ever dreamed of becoming a YouTuber, this video is for you. So, grab a pen and paper and let's get started. Segment 1, Find your passion. The first step in starting a successful YouTube channel is to find your passion. What are you truly interested in? What topics excite you? Once you identify your passion, it will be much easier to create engaging content that resonates with your audience. Take some time to brainstorm different ideas and niches. Consider your hobbies, skills, and expertise. Remember, the more genuine and enthusiastic you are about your content, the more likely you are to attract a dedicated audience. Segment 2, Research your target audience. Understanding your target audience is crucial for your YouTube channel's success. Conduct thorough research to determine who your ideal viewers are. Consider their demographics, interests, and what they're looking for on YouTube. Dive into popular YouTube channels within your niche and analyze their content, engagement, and audience interaction. This will give you valuable insights into what works and what doesn't. Segment 3, Develop your brand. Building a strong brand identity is essential for long-term success on YouTube. Start by creating a unique channel name that reflects your content and resonates with your target audience. Ensure it's easy to remember and relevant to your niche. Design a captivating channel banner and logo that visually represents your brand. Consistency in your branding across your channel will help viewers recognize and remember your content. Segment 4, Craft engaging content. Content is king on YouTube. Create compelling, valuable, and shareable videos that captivate your audience. Keep your videos concise, well-paced, and visually appealing. Experiment with different video formats such as tutorials, vlogs, reviews, or interviews to keep your content fresh and exciting. Don't forget to optimize your videos for search engines by using relevant keywords in titles, descriptions, and tags. Segment 5, Master video production. To stand out from the competition, invest in good video production. Ensure your videos have high-quality visuals, clear audio, and proper lighting. You don't need expensive equipment to start. A smartphone and affordable accessories can work wonders. Edit your videos professionally using editing software like Adobe Premiere Pro or free alternatives like iMovie or DaVinci Resolve. Pay attention to pacing, transitions, and engaging visuals to keep your viewers hooked. Segment 6, Consistency and scheduling. Consistency is key on YouTube. Develop a content schedule and stick to it. Whether it's one video a week or 3, set realistic goals and deliver on time. This will help build anticipation and trust with your audience. Engage with your viewers regularly by responding to comments, asking for feedback, and involving them in your content creation process. Building a loyal community is crucial for long-term success. Segment 7, Promotion and marketing. Once you've created your content, it's time to promote and market your channel. Utilize social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook to share your videos. Engage with potential viewers, and collaborate with other creators. Cross-promote your content on relevant online communities, forums, and blogs. Consider reaching out to influencers or established YouTubers in your niche for collaborations or shoutouts. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who may benefit from it. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to join our community of aspiring YouTubers.